Looking for the perfect breakfast for a teenager? This recipe will change your mind about oatmeal. A filling, healthy, and incredibly delicious pancake-like pie with egg, rice, and greens. Why is this the perfect breakfast, especially for a teenager? Balanced, complex carbohydrates, oatmeal, rice, plus protein, hard-boiled egg, kefir, plus fiber, greens. Quick, minimal active time. The dough cooks itself. Delicious. Kids and teens eat it with relish, especially with the creamy strawberry sauce and cheese. Healthy. You can cook it in an air fryer without any oil at all. Save the recipe so you don't lose it, and be sure to try it this weekend. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new, healthy, and delicious recipes for the whole family.